Hello, welcome to Ncash. In this video, I will be showing you how to claim your spot in LimeWire airdrop. LimeWire is relaunching a digital collectible marketplace for art and entertainment. Initially, LimeWire focused on music. Now, using LimeWire, you will be able to create, buy, and trade NFT collectible with S. The interesting thing is that LimeWire is giving away $1.5 million worth of their native token to the top 4,000 referrals. Now, to sign up and for their Waitlist campaign and refer your friend to win up to 100,000 LMWR, you will need to follow this step-by-step guide. First, click on the description below this video and click on the link which shows Ncash airdrops. When you click on it, you will be redirected to Ncash Telegram channel. Once you're here, you click on this link that shows LimeWire wait page. Once you click on it, it will show open. Click open and you'll be taken to the LimeWire airdrop page. You click on join a waiting list. What you need to do right here is to submit your email. Like for example, mine is Ncash. Submit your email. Just like type your email into this particular place. Once you're done, you click submit. Now what you need to do is to go to your email and verify. Once you finish verifying, is to copy your link, share it with your friend in order to claim your share in the total pool. So the important thing for you to note right here is that the top referral will get 100,000 LimeWire, while referrals rank from 2 to 6 will get 50,000 LimeWire each, and referral from 7 to 4,000 will get 100 LimeWire each and one LimeWire Original NFT token. The winners will be contacted before their sales goes live on May 2nd, 2023, and then they will need to complete their KYC to receive their reward. Before you opt out of this video to sign up for your airdrop, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button to be notified when I release new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.